Hey y'all, welcome to Caitlin's Corner. My name is Caitlin, and if you're new here, which mostly everybody's going to be new because I barely have any followers, then subscribe and like the video if you like it by the time of the end. And yeah, so today I'm going to be doing something different. I usually do my makeup and stuff, but today I'm going to be doing a snack box tasting and opening. So today I'm doing opening a box. It came like this, and it's called Snack Crate. So this and I'm rambling. So this month I got the Caribbean, whichever one. Do not roast me in the comments. But they send you different a box of different snacks from all over the world. I think this box is $26, and they have a mini and a family. I got the mini, but it comes with a nice amount of items in the mini. And I'm not, am currently on a weight loss journey, so I didn't want to like do too much. So this is what the little brochure thing looks like. It gives you some fun facts, and then it proceeds to tell you what's in your box. Okay, so when you open the box, they have like this little snack crate thing, and inside the box looks like this. Cute, right? Look how they got the plastic, and they got like, I think this says snack all over the thing. I think that's what it is. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. It also came with this expiration date for the stuff, and they're really corny with it because they said, oh, everything in the box is expired, and it was like, psych, which is really corny. So let's open this up and see. So I'm gonna go back to the brochure so I can read everything and know what I'm doing. Somebody will start cutting their grass right now. So many distractions. But okay, so the first thing when I reach in the box and see, I see these things right here, which the brochure says, I'm all over the place. The brochure says that this is strawberry ballers. Strawberry ballers are a corn-based snack, a fun ball shape with sweet taste of strawberry explosion. Okay, this is different. Okay, so let's open it and see. This it is 190 calories per serving in this. So, oh, it smells like Fruity Pebbles. Sounds so country, but it smells like Fruity Pebbles. Oh my god. It tastes like cereal. These with some milk. Oh my god. These with some milk. These gonna hit with some milk. Yes, they eat them like they chips, but these, make it tastes like cereal. I'm sorry if I'm going fast, but the next thing, these are called Bigfoots, and these are 110 calories per bag. And Bigfoot is a giant-sized puffed cheese snack, has an unexpected spicy twist and powerful. Okay, I'm not gonna butcher this word, but yeah. Alright, I survived to Spanish 1, 2, and 3, so we ate mostly and played games, but okay. Oh, it's cute. It's cute. Okay, let's try it. These is bussin'. No lie though, but these really bussin'. These is bussin'. I'm gonna get on Amazon to get me some of these. These is fire, y'all. These is fire. I'm gonna get on Amazon to get me some of these. Okay. Them Jones is fire. Them Jones was good. Okay. So the next ones we have is chicken and chips. And chicken and chips. Okay, crunchy stick and drumstick shaped corn snack flavored with a tasty ketchup seasoning. I ain't gonna lie, that sounds nasty. But you know, who am I? It sounds gross. Okay. So it smell like ketchup. I don't really like ketchup. I know they lying. It smell like ketchup. Ugh. I'm scared. This is what it look like. This is what it look like. Hold up, I'm gonna plug in. Ugh, this is gonna be so bootleg. But is it charging? It's not. Excuse me. Okay, sorry for the malfunction. My phone was finna die. This is gonna be a real bootleg video, so. But yeah, this smell like ketchup, and I don't look at it. I guess this supposed to be a fry. Then I got one that's supposed to be shaped like a piece of drumstick, which I don't like dark meat of chicken, but it smell bad. It smell like ketchup. I don't know how I feel about it. Hold on. I don't know how. They decent. They not bad. They don't taste like ketchup like they smell. They smell like ketchup. Like bottle of ketchup. Just ketchup. Okay, next we have banana chips. I've never had banana chips. So these are tropical twist on a crispy snack favorite. Dry banana makes for a perfectly sweet chip. So let's try this, y'all. That's why I can't be a mukbang person. Oh, look how thin it is. It's a These are 145 calories. Hold up. Why? Wait a minute. Why is this little bag of bananas have more calories than these? You see the difference? 145, 110. But I ain't gonna lie, they good though, ain't? It's like it's salty. It's salty like a Lay's chips in the beginning. And then you get the banana at the end. It's like Lay's. Alright. Next it's time for the sweets. Okay. We're gonna start ginger biscuits. Okay, ginger biscuit. This isn't your average cookie. Take a bite out of this delectable, crunchy, and ever so spicy biscuit. Alright. Now this is different. This is where it gets like real. Oh, it smells like ginger for real. I mean, I like ginger in food, but in the cooking, it smells like ginger for real. Oh my god. Okay. These with some chocolate milk, yeah. These by itself, they taste a little bit too ginger earthy for me. It's not my cup of tea, but if there's some chocolate milk around, then okay, yeah. Cookie Digestive. Now this makes me feel like runs.com, you know, like it's meant to clear you out, because who puts chocolate digestive on a cookie if it's not meant to help your bowel movement? But okay, crunchy wheat A crunchy wheat meal, crispy biscuit dipped in delicious chocolate coating. A classic throw up Trinidad and Tobago. I'm sorry. Okay, let's try this. It smells good. It smells like it smells like Rice Krispies. It's fine. Oh my god, this is good though. I'm not gonna lie. This is good. Oh my god. Okay, next is a Valentine biscuit. So delicious Jamaican barley biscuit, a traditional snack where healthy meets tasty. Okay, healthy meets tasty. This is 190 calories. I know you lie. That's why I'm only eating one of these because I don't want it to mess with my thing. So, okay. This is giving me very much graham cracker buttery vibes. I taste the butter in this. That's why it's 190 calories. I taste the butter. Okay. Now, I have 3 snack bars. I'm trying to find like a cool Okay. Y'all probably been clicked off by now by getting irritated with me, but next we trying Coco Crisp. Okay. What it looks like. There's something on the inside. This is fine. This give Almond Days a run for their money. This is lit. Oh my god. A tender coconut flavor combined with light crispy rice drenched in milk chocolate. The perfect dessert. Yes, this is. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to work out like crazy. Oh my god. That was fire. I wonder if I can order like the same box over. That was lit. Oh my god. Okay, this I'm just opening. I'm not reading. Okay, this is Tiki Gold coconut. Coconut flavor from the Caribbean island Ruth finds its way between layers of wafers and chocolate in the sweet treat. In this sweet treat. Okay. This is what it looks like. This is 160 calories. How much is this one? Okay, I tear it off. This one is 240. So okay, so this one is 240 calories. This one is 160 calories. Let's try them. It's good. Next is Nougat. This is a rich combination of crunchy peanuts, chewy fudge, and creamy caramel dipped in chocolate. That's a lot. This is um 280 calories. Damn. These have more calories than the chips. Oh my god. Yeah. Baby Ruth, they trying to come for you. Oh my god. Baby Ruth, they trying to come. Oh my, what? Oh my god. I love me a Baby Ruth. That tastes just like a Baby Ruth. Oh my god. Oh my god. It was so good. Okay, next. This is called a catch. Soft, delicate caramel meets light crispy rice to come together in a sweet milk chocolate. Oh my god. Oh, this is 240 calories. So I'm guessing the stuff with more calories tastes the best. Okay. It's decent. It's decent. The caramel is really soft and smooth. Alright. So that's it out of my trip to the Caribbean to try the little treats. If you hear my sisters in the background, those are my sisters. This video gonna be real good. But I was just trying something new and different. I thought it'd be fun to do something different besides makeup on my channel. So if you enjoyed this, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do my weight loss video. I used to weigh 250 pounds. Now I weigh 220 pounds and I'm still losing. My goal weight is 180. So, woot woot. Out of the snacks, my favorite ones are the Bigfoots. Out of the cookies, my favorite ones is the Digestive cookie. And out of the bars, my favorite one is Nougat. So, hit them up. It's like, I think the first one you do, I think it's like $10 off. So I think I paid $15 to $16 for it. So yeah, you should really try it. It's different to try snacks from all over the world and read fun facts about it. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, like I said before, and bye.